Hi, Remy. You got some popcorn, some oatmeal. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, in the bottom, that's that tomato, basil, penne, hamburger helper stuff right there. So, and then I give them probiotics. I can't remember the two things, but that's why it says chicken water on it, because I put a package of probiotic stuff in it every month. Hey, where'd you guys go? Well, anyways, we just shoveled out. We've had 3 snowstorms in a row. Oh, anyways, comment, like, and subscribe, and share. Well, that's the ending outro. It's morning, afternoon, and night to catch you whatever time you're at. The dogs are gone. Anyways.